Don't just depend on broiler and layers farming alone. Diversify your business into other areas. Are you ready to start raising your own native chicken, but don't know where to begin? Whether you are a beginner or an experienced farmer, you are about to learn the exact steps to take your native chickens from day one all the way to adulthood. Healthy, strong, and ready to strive. In this video, we will dive into feeding, disease prevention, and all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. Let's get started. Watch the video till the end if you really want to make it in poultry farming. Diversify your production. Every farmer must not depend on broilers and layers farming alone. We need to spread our tentacles to other niches in poultry farming so that we make it in this particular feathered business. Watch the video to the end, and if this particular topic interests you, give it a thumb up, like, share the content to other poultry farmers so that we can diversify poultry farming. How to raise native chickens from day one to adulthood, feeding, care, and disease prevention guide. Start with good and creative steps that will give you the maximum result. 15 steps on how to raise native chickens from day one old to adulthood, feeding, care, and disease prevention guide. 1. Start your brooding area. Prepare your brooding area properly. Set the floor with wood shavings or rice bran or rice husk. Set up a clean, safe brooding area to protect your chicks from droughts, predators, and extreme temperature. Ensure proper ventilation and a suitable and stable temperature at 32 degrees centigrade or 90 degrees Fahrenheit for the first few days. Keep water for them, keep feed for them. Provide adequate lighting. Chickens need light to regulate their feeding and growth. Make sure your brooder has 24 hours lighting for the first few days, then reduce gradually to 12 hours. Ensure clean water supply, as you see on the video here. Always provide clean, fresh water because dehydration can stunt growth and make your chicks vulnerable to diseases. Give the required feed mash for their age so that they will be able to eat, and use the appropriate feeder. Like as you are seeing on the screen, this is stray feeder because they are still at the early stage of their life. Set up a very good thermometer and humidity control and regulators so that you know the temperature in the brooding area. Start with high quality feed. Using a starter feed, 20 to 24% crude protein for day-old chicks. This supports rapid growth during their early stage of life. Monitor temperature regularly. Maintain a temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees centigrade or 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the brooding area for the first week, and reduce it by 2 degrees each week until it reaches room temperature by 4 to 6 weeks. Ensure proper spacing. Avoid overcrowding by providing enough space per chick. At least 0.5 square feet per chick is recommended to prevent strays and promote healthy growth. You can see the feathers are coming out. They need, at this stage, they need multivitamins. That is why you can see in this water there is multivitamin extract here. Introduce grit for digestion. As your chicks grow, introduce grit to help them digest food properly and aid in nutrient absorption. You can see the chicks are growing. They have wings right now. You can make use of the organic plants to protect them, to boost the immunity. You can see these extracts, these plants here. You can make use of the extracts. You can also feed them from these extracts. Mix it with their feed to give them the maximum benefit, the maximum results as they are growing faster. This, you can see at the week 3, they have wings, they have feathers all over their body right now. They can now control their own body temperature. They need water, they need food. You can give them fermented feed also at this stage of their life. Prevent coccidiosis with probiotics. Add probiotics to the water and food for natural immunity support and booster, helping to prevent diseases like coccidiosis that are common in young chicks. Feed consistently and avoid overfeeding. Provide feed 3 to 4 times a day, especially when chicks are young. Overfeeding can lead to health problems like obesity and food problems. Introduce greenery for natural nutrition. All these plants are very important. Disease prevention with natural remedies. Prevent common diseases like Newcastle disease and avian influenza by using natural remedies like garlic, scent leaf juice, and bitter leaf juice in their water to boost immunity. Provide vitamins and mineral supplement. Use a good quality vitamin and mineral supplement in their feed, especially during the growing phase, as they are on the growing phase as of now, to support their overall health and development. Keep the brooder clean. Regularly clean the brooding house and the rearing house also. All these areas should be properly cleaned and kept neat to prevent the build-up of bacteria and parasites that could harm your chicks. Monitor growth and weight regularly. Keep tracks of your chicks' weight and growth milestone. Native chickens take longer to grow, but their weight and size should steadily increase as they approach adulthood. Transition to adulthood feed. Once they reach adults around or between 8 weeks, switch to a grower feed, 16 to 18% crude protein, then to a layers feed once they start laying eggs at about 20 weeks. Make sure you take good control of the environment to adequate biosecurity is very important to prevent reptiles like snakes and other crawlers that can attack and kill your chickens. Make sure there is wire gauze all around the area to prevent them running away and to prevent predators that can attack them. All these are very important biosecurity measures you need to take to protect your investment. If this particular video interests you, please give it a thumb up. If you have any question concerning this topic, please drop your comments on the comment section. I will answer you and I will reply you immediately. I thank all our subscribers and our channel members. May God continue to bless all of you as we also continue to pilot the affairs of this particular channel. Congratulations, you are now equipped with the essential steps to raise healthy and strong native chickens. You can see they have grown to adulthood and ready for sale, from the old chicks to fully grown adults. You can see with the right feeding, care and disease prevention, your chicken will thrive and provide you with healthy eggs or meat. Remember, consistency and patience are the key. Native chickens may take longer to reach maturity than commercial breeds, but with the right approach, they will reward you with a low maintenance and sustainable source of income. Always keep learning and adapting to your practices to suit your farm's need. And most importantly, enjoy the rewarding experience of raising your own healthy chickens. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And tap that bell icon for more expert poultry farming tips. Would you like to start local chicken farming? Let me know on the comment section so that I can guide you. Would you like to know the quality of feed or the type of feed or how to make their feed cheaper? Let me also know on the comment section. All these I will guide you if you drop it on the comment section and share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Once again, remain blessed till the next topic is uploaded. For now, till then, I'll say bye.